The sun fired off yet another powerful solar flare yesterday, September 10th, its 7th in 7 days. The flare, which peaked at 12:06 EDT 16:06 GMT, covered North and South America in high-energy light. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Space Weather Prediction Center (SWPC) released a statement that warned of strong, high-frequency radio blackouts and navigation system disruption, potentially lasting up to an hour. Like the 6 other flares observed since September 4th, this one came from a sunspot known as active region R 2673, which is currently turning away from Earth and will soon be out of sight. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory captured the Sunday, September 10th X-class solar flare. Credit NASA's de Goddard. There are 3 categories of solar flares, and Sunday's was the highest classification an X event. 2 of the other recent flares were also X-class, including Wednesday's September 6th X9.3 flare, the strongest solar blast in 12 years. The SWPC's warning also asked astronauts aboard the International Space Station to take special precautions, because they're above most of Earth's atmosphere and therefore are at risk of exposure to harmful radiation. The warning discouraged astronauts from performing spacewalks just after the flare. For example, like many powerful flares, Sunday's was accompanied by a coronal mass ejection (CME), a huge cloud of superheated solar plasma that races to space at millions of miles per hour. R 2673 isn't pointing directly at Earth anymore, but this enemy may still give the planet a glancing blow, potentially supercharging the northern lights on Wednesday night, September 13th. According to spaceweather.com, the solar activity seen this month comes as a bit of a surprise, as the sun is currently entering solar minimum, a quiet portion of the star's roughly 11-year cycle of change. A graph released by Space Weather Prediction Center to advise the public on the side effects of the massive September 10, 2017, solar flare. It appeared at 12:06 EDT 16:06 UTC, from an area of the sun known as region 2673 that is turning away from Earth. Credit NOAA/SWPC. Follow Doris Ellen Salazar on Twitter at Salazar_Ellen. Follow us at space.com, Facebook and Google. Original article on space.com.